Carrion Business School was started 2 years ago, and the Carrion Business School brand, it's taking entrepreneurs and me teaching them everything that I can. When I first started, I was only focused into high ticket items, meaning that I wanted to work with one-on-one individuals. And then I realized that it is not fair for me to do that with people, because not everybody's going to get the opportunity to be able to pay for my services. But at the same time, people that are just starting out, like, how are they going to be able to learn the basics to be able to grow, to get to a point where they're able to work with me? And sure enough, while I was working with Success Resources, they asked me to create a program specific for them. And I created this program called Startup to Millions 365, which is all online. And I gave the opportunity as a low ticket item, only $365, of how the people could work with me, right? From there on, I'm like, okay, I realized that to me, I thought that was very inexpensive, and I thought that everybody could afford that. And I realized that not everybody could afford that. So I created a lower ticket item, which is called the Startup Business Super Stack, which is 5 basic modules of teaching people how to do this. So, what do I believe the future holds? I understand that education is a huge business. I understand that people need to learn how to grow any type of business. The future is changing so rapidly. So instead of them spending all this money into college, into traditional education, they need to learn from an MBA. They need to get an MBA fast. And how do they do that? How do they get an accelerated MBA? By going through this program, by having the right mentor, and me being able to teach them everything that I have learned in life. I'm 45 years old today as I record this video, and I've been married for 13 years, 2 kids. I travel the world. I live in a different country. I run multiple multi-million-dollar companies. I've spoken in multiple stages throughout the world, and therefore I'm an international speaker. So can I teach a lot of things to people? Yes. Can I teach them how to become a speaker? Yes. Can I teach you how to how to set up your right keynote? Yes. Can I teach you how to have a good relationship, a healthy relationship? Yes. Plans are that have retreats, couples retreats, have business retreats, have personal retreats, retreats on how to get in shape, how to work out, how to have consistency, how to have the right mindset. There's so many things that I could teach. There's so many things that could come upon me building these things that I'm building. And I think the future is that I want to grow my community to 10,000 entrepreneurs. And out of those entrepreneurs that I start creating and helping to become successful, I want to create a big fund where we're able to invest together with other brand new entrepreneurs and help them grow as well. And from there on, me being able to certify new coaches to be able to handle and to be able to teach the same strategies and techniques that I'm teaching other young entrepreneurs how to become successful. So it's always a give, so we could always continue growing and we could continue helping more people. But at the end of the day, the most important thing I value this is that they all understand the 4 basic values, which is faith, honor, courage, commitment. Coming back and having that belief in God, believing in ourselves, having the courage to do anything we want, being committed to what we do, and having the honor and doing things the right way.